Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the absolute maximum discount on Hostinger right now, you are in the right place. Most people only get 10% off with regular coupon codes, but today I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock an extra 20% discount instantly using my exclusive referral link. All you have to do is grab the special referral code I have placed in the description box below. It's customized for every country and shows the price in your local currency. Just click the link and you'll be taken straight to the official Hostinger website. Once you're there, head over to the products and services section in the top navigation bar. You will see the complete list of hosting plans and services. The great news is that my 20% discount works on every single Hostinger plan, shared hosting, VPS, cloud, WordPress, or even their powerful self-managed N8N hosting. For demonstration, let me walk you through one of the most popular options, the KVM2 plan under self-hosted N8N. Browse through the plans KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 or KVM8 and select the one that fits your needs. Add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. You'll immediately see my 20% referral discount applied automatically. No promo code to type, no extra steps. The savings are locked in right there on the screen. So go ahead and grab your Hostinger plan with the biggest possible discount today. If this quick tutorial helped you save even more money, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future money saving deals. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.